I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday today, but it's time to get back to the chart. And if this is your first time here, it's great to have you with me. And my job today is to help you identify the best trading levels on the Nasdaq for tomorrow, Wednesday, March the 10th. But before I get started, I just want to make sure to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel with the bell, and in return I will give you my best trade ideas and levels for the following day every single day before the next trading session. And don't forget, if you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to drop those in the comment section below, and I will get them answered as soon as possible. I really appreciate your time with me here, and now let's jump right into the video, guys. What I have here is my last video from Sunday. I know I missed and I didn't create a video yesterday on Monday, but we're going to kind of go over my last video, and these were the levels that I've talked about. I'm also going to leave a link to that video in the description box below if you want to check it out. I did this on Sunday. It was a live stream I did for you guys to prepare you for the Monday trading session. And these were the 4 levels I talked about. As you can see, I was expecting few things to happen. I was expecting to see a retest of the 12,450 and then watch for a potential bounce, or the other option was to see a drop down all the way to 12,250. So now let's see how did everything worked out. And here we are, guys. So I was doing the video when the chart was at this point right here on Friday, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And these are the levels. This is your 450, the bottom of the range, and the 2 levels for short positions. Now here we are. We came to the first level. It wasn't a perfect bounce from the level, but it was super close, and we did about 300, almost 300 points from that level to the upside, with a potential drawdown on 56 points. So if you found some kind of trade and you took that, you have a pretty amazing risk to reward ratio. And then what happened is we almost came down to the second level. We did a very quick wash until the end of the session, and we dropped about 400 points. And as you can see, it was very close, about 30 points to the bottom of the range. But at this point, if we got there, I'm pretty sure could have gotten very obvious for a lot of people, and that's why I believe the market makers didn't drop that to this exact level. And this was the Monday session. If you guys found some kind of an entry here, that was a great opportunity for you. And today we have this huge run all the way from yesterday's session to the high. It's 524 points. And just look, right now we're about to close in 4 minutes. We're about to close the markets, but just look where we are getting the top. And I keep saying, guys, just watch these levels. Price always reacts at these levels that I have here on the chart. And as you can see now, we're doing the exact perfect double top here at this level. And let's check out what is going to be the plan for tomorrow's Wednesday session. So something interesting is happening. I'm going to zoom out before I give you the levels, because I want you to see that we are pretty much at the verge of this channel, and this will be the second touch of this line right here. So it's not a coincidence that we are kind of coming to the top of this channel, and right now we're going to see some kind of a pullback, maybe some kind of a range right here in this area. And that is why I'm going to talk about what can we expect for tomorrow. So a few things. As you can see, we are now forming this brand new channel that I have here for you guys. I'm gonna make this yellow so you can see it better. So it created this channel from today's session. And there are a few things that can happen. Right now, if we do not touch the high of the channel, which is about 13,000, this means that we have lost momentum and there will be a pullback. Now, the best case scenario is to see a pullback down to this level that I have right here, which is going to be our first level of interest on the buy side. And as long as we stay inside the channel, we can see a continuation to the upside from here, and we're potentially targeting the same level from my last video and potentially another level higher. So if we drop to this level, you guys can expect to see some kind of maybe a double bottom here, maybe head and shoulders, maybe just a huge wick, and then a continuation. Depending on your strategy, just look at that level and make sure to find an entry. It's adjusting with your strategy. Now the second thing that we might see happening is this. We can respect this channel and then we can go straight down to the bottom of the range where we've only been just once. That is the 12,250 level. From there again we can expect a bounce, and the point here is for the bulls to get out of this channel, and from there we're probably going to create another trend to the upside. But if we cannot get out of this channel, we still can expect lower lows, and that's why I have this level right here for a potential bounce. It's 12,050. If we crush all these levels here, and that's going to be a huge drop, that's about 800 points, and this probably is not going to happen in a single session. I really don't believe that we're going to take all these levels in a single session. So I mean, just look at the charts, guys. The most important thing in trading is to adapt to what is happening right now. I'm going to remove these levels because we're not going to need them anymore. So you have to adapt to what's happening and you just have to react. Yeah, we literally just closed the markets, and look at this. Perfect double top. So now what do? We watch this level, the 650, for a potential bounce and continuation of this new channel to this level right here, and potentially this level right here, the 13,250, which we might be able to see that maybe in one session, but I highly doubt that. Probably in 2 sessions, because that's again about 600 points. So yeah, these are the key levels right here we are watching, and I'm pretty sure it will help you if you have these on your chart, and just look for potential entries around these levels depending on your strategy. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just showing you guys what works best for me, and I've also showed you my results for last week. I'm going to show you my results for this week as soon as I have some trades completed. So far, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's update.